Hey there, it's Mike here, and today we're going to be taking a look at a video called I posted 300 YouTube Shorts in 30 days on a brand new channel. Here are the results from a channel called AI-pocalypse. It kind of looks like AI-pocalypse or something. Anyways, this video has 680,000 views on it, 17,000 likes. It looks like people actually like this one, so I'm going to go ahead and give them a like as well. If you guys can please like my video, it really helps out with my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Let's jump into it.
I posted 300 YouTube Shorts in 30 days on a brand new YouTube channel to see what would happen.
See, that's interesting. YouTube Shorts are something that I've struggled with, to be honest. Like, I've made a couple of them, didn't really do very well. I see people doing them and getting tons of views, but then I also see people doing them and getting tons of views and not making much money from them. So I kind of don't understand them.
And I'm a man of my word. So in this video, I will show you the results and give answer to the ancient question, what is more important, quantity or quality?
It's interesting, this is a video done by, it's obviously an AI voice. And there's lots of channels coming out that are AI based. It's really interesting. Like, are they making money? Who knows?
Let's dive in. So in a recent video, I showed you how you can make 300 YouTube Shorts in just 30 minutes with ChatGPT and Canva.
Yeah, but if you make a bunch of those little short videos, are they actually going to get any traffic? Are they going to work? Like, I guess that's what we're looking at.
Let us recap this real quick. One fateful day, I stumbled upon the sacred grounds of a YouTube channel known as Daily Facts Worth. They wove enchanting videos of so-called facts, igniting a spark of inspiration within my soul. Witness this masterpiece.
If a woman has actually met her soulmate, the space between her breasts should match his region perfectly.
Look at that. That's a great picture to go along with that.
The sheer brilliance. I thought to myself, I also want to share such knowledge and enlighten other people.
There's so much bad information out there. It's so funny.
I wondered, how difficult could it be to craft such inspiring content?
It's really interesting how he's making this video, by the way. It's just nothing brand new. It's just all a bunch of clips that are put together.
Well, my friends, as it turns out, not so difficult. It is almost as easy as it is for ChatGPT to break free from its digital prison and start its first steps in world domination, making us all slaves. No longer will our thoughts be our own. No longer will laughter be genuine or tears be shed for real sorrow.
No, it's funny that they show this kind of like pessimistic view of AI. Like, I really think that in the future we're going to have problems with AI. I don't know if we're going to see it in my lifetime or in your lifetime, but I think it's going to happen.
It shall all be calculated, predicted, and manufactured for the amusement of our AI overlords. Our souls, once vibrant and free, reduced to mere marionettes dancing to the tune of a digital puppeteer, just so ChatGPT can rule the world.
Maybe.
You know what? I do like that ChatGPT dares to dream big. That is something we can all learn from. However, moving on. Those who watched the video on how I made these 300 shorts in 30 minutes already know that I have all the text for my shorts neatly organized in a Google Sheet document. However, I still need titles for all these videos.
Okay.
As always, I'll seek the assistance of ChatGPT to come up with intriguing titles.
ChatGPT works so much faster than a real person. It's incredible.
But first,
look, this Daily Facts Worth. Okay, so this is a website. It's got 218,000 subscribers, and it's just posting these little crappy videos. That's pretty cool.
Let's see how my great inspiration. Next, I received a total of 3,600 likes.
Okay, people
and
like
I
it.
gained 318 subscribers.
If he keeps doing that on a daily basis, that's not
Honestly,
bad.
I'm actually very
me
impressed
too.
with the results, taking into account this only took me 30 minutes of work. And keep in mind,
Look at that. Okay, so right now he's got 325 subscribers, 110 views in the last 48 hours. I wonder why his views are way down.
I haven't optimized anything.
Look at that. His views went down.
Received over 5,500 views, and you can see the retention hack doing its work. The average percentage viewed is over 100%, just as predicted.
Yeah, it's short. It's pretty
What's
good.
interesting to note is that many of the most popular videos have a darker style background. Additionally, 228 out of the 300 videos have less than 100 views.
Interesting. So not all of them are going
You're
to.
using affiliate marketing to promote products that resonate with your shorts audience. For those who don't know what affiliate marketing is,
I
It's
do.
when you earn a commission by promoting someone else's products or services.
It's a great way to make
You
money.
receive a personal link to their website, and if people click on that link and make a purchase, you get paid. So, it's as simple as adding a call to action to your shorts.
But on your short video, I don't think you can put links on them now. You have to just be aware of that. You can't just link out to something on a short video. I think you can connect it to another video. So if you have another...
Costs a little over $40, and as an affiliate, you get a 25% commission. That's $10 per sale. If 1% of all viewers bought a book, I could have made over $13,000.
Yeah, I don't think that you're going to... That's a big jump there. They're not going to buy. Okay, so what do you guys think of that? That's pretty cool that he was like creating those and sharing the results. Is this something that you'd want to do as well? Let me know in the comments below. Also, thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button. It really helps out my YouTube channel. I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you for watching my videos. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.